Hi, Roy here. Welcome to the training. Now we're gonna talk about how you set up your email on the system. There are a few options here. You can either use your existing email, the one you use in your business, or you can create a new separate email. And I suggest that you do it on the same domain if you have your own domain, but you may want to use a different name. Your email will be integrated with Investment Navigator through IMAP and SMTP. And a reason to use a separate email would be, for example, if someone else in your organization access your account on the platform, or if they help you to follow up on communication with people or investors. And if you really need to keep your inbox private and you've got someone helping you, then I would recommend that you really set up a separate email. Let's take Gmail or G Suite as an example. A lot of people use that option, and you can either create a free account or you can go with a paid G Suite business account. It costs only a few dollars a month and it's worth it. And the reason for that is if you create a new free account and you start sending a lot of emails or whatever, then you may be flagged as suspicious and your emails may not be delivered properly. So it's better to use an email or at least a domain that you've used before. And if you're paying for it, you have less of a chance of actually getting flagged for being suspicious. Now this applies to the Pro license. If you're going with the enterprise license where you've got unlimited sending, you're gonna need something else like Amazon Simple Email Service, SendGrid or whatever. But that's something you gotta contact us about if you want to sign up for that, and then you would use a different email provider for the sending. Now below this video there's a link to the settings page and you want to go there, and I'll show you where that is. And here you want to navigate to settings, and here you see that you've got email settings. So you just press connect email account, and if you're using Gmail you would select Google. If you're using Office 365 you would use that, or if you're using Exchange you select that. If it's a different IMAP you select other, and in most cases you will leave automatic connection here. So let's press add email. In the case of using a custom IMAP server, you will need to enter the details, as you can see. And so you would enter your email here, your password, and then you've got to ask your email provider, unless you use Gmail or Outlook, about exactly what the IMAP server is or the SMTP server. Or you can simply Google your email provider and usually it will come up. But in the case of Gmail, it's emap.gmail.com and the port is 993. And then from name, that should be your name, and then you want to enter your email again. The from name is what will be shown when you send the emails, and then repeat the password. And then you've got, in the case of Gmail, it's smtp@gmail.com. And the port is actually optional. It's usually 587, but you can leave these empty if you're unsure what it is, because it will try it. And the email signature, here you want to enter a signature. If you've got the source code for it, you just press here and you enter HTML code here. You can copy paste it and save. If you don't have that, you're gonna have to try to copy paste here. As you can see, it's in HTML format here, but you can use these things here, and you'll be able to insert this into any messages you create later. And then you want to press add email. And as you can see, it was successful. You got a message saying that it was successful. Now, if you use Gmail, you don't actually need to enter all those details manually. You just press Google, and this is you should connect this way. So you press Google, add email, and then you sign in with your Google account. This is the best and most safe way to do it. You enter your password, and you allow the application to access your account. And then once that is done, you just enter your from name and the password again, and then whatever email signature you want. And then press add. And as you can see, it was successful. That's all for this training. And if you have any issues, then you can always contact us here. Thank you.